Hello friends, I am going to explain about the challenges and issues of m-commerce. What is m-commerce? Buying and selling of goods and services through wireless handheld devices such as cellular phones and PDS. It enables users to access the internet without needing to find a place to plug in. Transactions continue to grow and it includes purchase of goods and services, online banking, bill payment and information delivery. The most common applications would involve the service providers sending text messages to the subscriber that promote new offerings. This explains the m-commerce flowchart. First, the mobile devices are connected to Wi-Fi or internet devices. Then it gets access to the wireless access protocol which provides the services, and then the customer will order the products and services through mobile devices. Then the customer will get the QR code and then he can purchase the goods that he wants to buy. Advantages of m-commerce: covers wide distance. Mobile is the only technology which is now become necessary for any person in the social and business life than computers. So it is easy to reach users through m-commerce. Consumer deals. As more users use m-commerce, there are lots of companies use m-commerce site to reach them by giving different and better deals in comparison of their competitor. Savings. Companies try to reach to the consumer directly through m-commerce, so users have no need to go far to the store physically, and at the end it saves users time and money. Disadvantages of e-commerce: smartphone limitation. Mobile has no big screen like desktop or laptops, so sometimes users try to navigate more and more to choose just one item from thousands, so it affects shopping rates. Risk factor: each business has its own risk. Say mobile commerce is the growing field and a lot of investment in this field is become risky because technology change day by day. Moreover, there less security in wireless networks, so in data transfer hacking chances are more. Connectivity: mobile commerce needs high speed connectivity of 3G. Otherwise, it is become hectic for user to go through entire product purchase process. Challenges of m-commerce: one of the major challenges affecting the use of m-commerce is the cumbersome checkout process most mobile sites offer. Entering the credit card details and shipping addresses can be incredibly time consuming. The other challenge is the smaller screen sizes of mobiles compared to desktop. The reduction in screen size makes it a lot harder to communicate everything that would usually appear on main site. Internet-based activity often relates to the physical location of the user. A large number of supply chain partners will need to work together to offer customers the right mix of information and services. Also, this challenge will evolve and is likely to be mastered only after repeated trials. The other challenge is to work with the content and service providers who provide underlying value and to handle customer inquiries and issues. Next, the other challenge is to establish an integration infrastructure which can link m-commerce supply chain partners. It can reduce the implementation and operation costs and allow for future growth and changing the business models. Next, the issues of m-commerce. Too many devices, too much choice. Smartphone adoption has gone stratospheric, led by innovative iPhone and now being spearheaded by Android devices. So it seems almost everyone has one. However, mass adoption leads to confusion, and for retailers this introduces problems. The classic dilemma is the app versus mobile site issue. Hostile conditions. If you are developing an m-commerce strategy, there is one consideration that needs to be absolutely central to your thinking. The mobile user's browsing conditions and the connections will be against you. M-commerce applications and sites need to cater for these changeable conditions. This is especially important for areas such as the checkout or other sensitive areas of the site. Payment pain. As anyone who has done this can confirm, typing your 16-character credit card number into a mobile phone is not a happy experience. Apart from the obvious room for error with a tiny keyboard, there are security considerations as well. Mobile payments are a highly innovative area and payment providers are rolling out new solutions at an impressive rate. Coping with small screen. The biggest limitation, but one that can be partially addressed, is screen size. The antidote to the limited real estate is to use a much smaller image, sharper messaging requiring less text, and more pages so that more information can be gleaned if the customer requires. For example, Amazon has clearly done a lot of research with their mobile site. The core approach to its offering is centered around the core belief that browsers generally don't know what they want when landing on the site. This deep understanding of its customer base has driven its design. Concerns with security. Even more than with internet based e commerce, users worry about the safety and reliability of conducting business over a wireless connection. Users will engage in m-commerce only if they trust that the transactions made through their devices are secure. These are the references. Please, thank you for watching this video. Please like and share it if it is helpful.